Good morning, everybody. My name is Dean Fowell, and I welcome you back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today, what I'm going to be showing you and what we'll be running through is you'll be learning how to connect to the customer portal in RADAN and over to the eSupport site, and we'll get into that in a moment. Okay, let's get back into it here. So I am going to, this here is so you can get to the customer portal, get to the technical eSupport site. Easiest and quickest way to go is to go up here, radan.com. Pretty simple, pretty easy. If you go to support and services, you can see here's a different maintenance agreement, subscription program, the Hexagon customer portal, portal help, you have training, release videos, and you have remote customer support team viewer. When one of the engineers wants you to connect, you can connect that way as well. And here's our system requirements. We're going to come up here and we're going to go to the customer portal. So I'm going to click that link. It's going to come up here and it's going to bring me to a login, and I'm just going to simply log in. Okay, so obviously that's not right, so I've got a password there or something. So if I log into the customer portal, I'm logged in. So on the customer portal, you'll see you'll have different areas, right? So technical support cases, this is where you create a support case, right? Here is the community forum. So you'll notice that you, depending on what you have, you'll have a information there. So if I go here, I can go to customer community forums, and it'll open it up. I can go open in current window. I'm just going to go open a new window, and this technical eSupport site is where I can get information on the different products. So if you have RADAN, you'll just have RADAN. If you have Designer, you'll have Designer. If you have EdgeCam, you'll have EdgeCam. Okay, so I'm going to jump over to the RADAN technical support, the eSupport here, sorry, and you can see on the eSupport there's some videos in here, how to do stuff. I can actually come into here and go, alright, let's go to a wiki, and if I open up the wiki, you can see here on the right hand side, or the left hand side, sorry, I have information and links. So if I click on this RADAN CAD CAM, I have one for drafting, add fonts to RADAN, DXF, DWG import options, editing a parametric dimension. Here's one for video, and you have other stuff in the RADAN as well. So you also have a RAD quote, and they're starting to populate a whole lot of information on RAD quote. Okay, so that's the eSupport. In the eSupport, you can set your profile, change names, appearances, like pictures and stuff like that. Okay, so this is a good place to go if you have a question. But you know, of course, you can go over to YouTube, and YouTube will have some information here. So we can see RADAN here. They've just released a new video for the 2021, all about nesting. Okay, so you can see videos on the RADAN YouTube. So if we go there, that is the RADAN YouTube site. Okay, well, thanks for watching. This is just a quick video to show you how to get to the eSupport there. Let me know if you have any questions, and by all means, log into the customer portal and create a case and ask the guys, hey, give me a hand with this, or okay. So have a wonderful day and stay safe.